a QuickBooks Online integration into Pro Payments demo. Today we're going to go over how Pro Payments can work with QuickBooks Online. First, I'd like to start with a little background just about QuickBooks Online and how it works. It is an online tool where some of the other QuickBooks tools are downloaded software. Since it is online, there is a couple of differences in this version and then the other versions that you would see. And one of the things that we've done to be able to work with QuickBooks Online is we had to set up our own piece that directly externally integrates into QuickBooks Online. So what we've done here is we've created a portal to log into, to work within, and everything done in here in real time is going to sync directly back into your QuickBooks Online. So I'm going to go through the different tabs and what we can do. The first tab here is just the general dashboard. You can click through any of these links down here, or you can click the quick links over to the side here. Our first one is the chart of accounts. Essentially what this is it's the data syncing tool so that you don't have to keep going back and forth between the tabs of Pro Payments and QuickBooks Online. We also have in here customers. In here you're able to search for a customer, view a list of active and inactive customers. You can add a customer inside of here. Again, if you add a customer inside of here, that's going to show inside of your QuickBooks Online as well. You can view the list of customers down below here. Under items, it's very similar to how customers work, and you're able to search for items, view a list of all taxable and non-taxable items. You can add an item in here. Again, if you add that item, it will show up in your QuickBooks Online. And down at the bottom here, you can see a bunch of different items or item lists down here. The next tab is going to be sales tax. Sales tax is essentially going to be whatever sales taxes you have that are going to be working with your QuickBooks, whatever you have configured in your QuickBooks Online. Again, it's kind of a data syncing tool so that you don't have to keep going back and forth between the tabs. So I'm also going to go down to my invoices piece. Inside of here, you're able to view a list of unpaid invoices or paid invoices. We can choose to batch email the invoices. If I wanted to send out all of these invoices that I have in here to my customers, that's no problem. I would just choose to batch email them. I can create an invoice from within here. I can also email an individual invoice. Now, whether you're batch emailing or emailing an individual invoice, those emails are going to come along with a pay link so that the customer can pay online. And you can also choose to pay an invoice from within here. So I'm just going to grab one of my invoices here, and I'm going to choose to pay it, and that's going to bring us to our next tab, which is our Payments tab. Now, if you go from the Invoices screen and choose to pay, as opposed to from the Payments tab, the only difference is when you go from the Invoices screen, it's going to automatically load these details up top here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to clear this information, and I'm going to key in or swipe my card information here. And once you get all of your information in here, you're going to click that green payment button down at the bottom. Once you click the green payment button down at the bottom, that's going to go ahead and send your payment through. You're going to get either a successful response or a decline response at the top of your screen. If you get a successful response, you're able to print a receipt from there. You get a decline response, it's going to give you a decline reason along the lines of, insufficient funds or incorrect card number or something along those lines to kind of let you know what's going on. And you can see that at the top here, and we're able to print a receipt here. And finally, the last piece that I'd like to show you is Gateway Sync. Something specific to Pro Payments. What we've done here is we've tried to allow being able to take payments from other forms, such as a mobile app, a virtual terminal, or maybe a shopping cart. So let's say, for example, that this person has a shopping cart. I'm just going to choose my transactions for today and click Search. This is going to pull in a list of the transactions that were run today that were not run through my Pro Payments online tool here. And you can see the two different transactions. So from here, I can choose an invoice to add these payments to. I can choose the account that I want my payments to show up in, so undeposited funds, for example. And then I will just click Process Import, and that'll pull those transactions back into my QuickBooks Online seamlessly with the click of a button. So it makes it pretty easy to be able to sync all of those transactions back to one place. And that concludes our demo today with QuickBooks Online and how payments integrate.